fighter aircraft, which is Tejas. Tejas has a one engine which is taken from the General Electronics from America. We have taken one engine, and it has only one engine. Here you can see the Tejas 3D model of Tejas. It is how it looks like. So it is indigenously being developed by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, and a headquarter of HAL is in Bangalore. Tejas has naval version of Tejas. We also have, which has the facility of arrested landing, which it can do arrested landing with the help of the hook system. Hook system, it attaches the hook with the aircraft carrier that we have, INS Vikrant or INS Vikramaditya. So it can do arrested landing with the help of the Tejas naval version. So it has Tejas, as you can see, this is AFO version of the Tejas. It has one engine. HAL is developing this offensive. It is always offensive in attacking mode, and never, it is never defensive. It is never made to defend itself. It is always in offensive in attacking mode, and better than, it is quite better than the Mirage 2000. It is a modified version of Mirage 2000 because it has latest versions of latest versions of other we have facilities into this, which is enabled. It has wings in the middle. As you can see, the wings are in the middle here. The wings being kept in the middle so that it enables it to um, acquire the stability which it wants in the high altitude while flying much higher ranges. So it wings in the middle provide stability to this aircraft. And Tejas Mark 2, this is Mark 1. Tejas Mark 2 is a better than Tejas Mark 1. It has canard fit in it, which enables it to easily control to tackle the missile while missiles is fired on Tejas. So it can easily control and tackle. Control is quite easy when the canards are fit in it. Now this is Tejas is a light compact aircraft. It is quite lightweight, and total fuel that it can carry is 2500 liters of total fuel it can take at one go. And three, the distance that it can cover is 3500 kilometer. The speed is 2205 kilometer per hour. With the speed of 2000, approximately 2000 kilometer per hour, the speed it can maintain. It has some drop tank contain the fuel. After dropping, it uses the main fuel. It has drop tank to achieve the highest, the maximum speed it can attain by dropping the external fuel tanks and flying with the main fuel. Now it has some radar fit in the entrance. If you can see here, the radars are fit here, which are radars have two TR modules, that is 2 meters square of TR modules. It has multiple TR modules help the radar um, to target multiple aircrafts at once. It is the world's smallest aircraft. The total length is 1 meter square. As you can see, this is the one of the world's smallest aircraft with the total length of 1 meter square. One Tejas, because of this, its size, one Tejas is not able to detect the other Tejas because of the small length that total length that it has. It uses infrared energy. A radar guided missile uses radar signals emitted by the launch aircraft and locks onto the energy reflected back by the target and detects the heat of the engine and locks the missile. This is the whole infrared energy that it uses. While any guided missile is being chased by this aircraft, if a missile is chasing this aircraft, then it uses radar signals emitted by the launch aircraft and locks on the energy reflected by that aircraft. It measures the heat of the engine of the aircraft and locks the missile, and this is how it hits the target. It has total hard points is 6 to 7 to 11 hard points it uses. Here you can see the hard points where it can keep the different types of missiles it can carry along with it. So 7 to 11 hard points. And load at once it can carry 5 to 6 tons of load. um, one ton can be assumed to be one truck, so 5 to 6 trucks load it can carry at once. It can carry different types of missiles such as air to air missile. We have Astra missile, BrahMos missile, air to air and air to ground. It is capable of doing the both functionality. So it can carry different types of warfare. It can do. It can attack from air to air as well as air to ground, and different attacking mode it can have. Even in the naval version of the this aircraft is also being made. MTCR, as India is being part of MTCR, it can buy and sell any missile which has 30, which has the range of more than 300 meter. So missile technology control regime in India is being part of this. And in this aircraft has MOX enabled in this. MOX is a missile approach warning system, MAWS. MAWS, because of the missile approach warning system, whenever a missile is chasing this, so it can easily detect and can take action. It helps to tackle the infrared missiles, and it launches hot smoke bombs. When an infrared missiles is being chased by this aircraft, then it can launch the hot smokes. It in this cockpit, as you can see here is the cockpit where the aircrafts here. In this aircraft, the pilot that sits in the cockpit can give voice command. Voice command is very useful when the condition of fog or foggy or smoky areas where you don't know the what handle, where is the handle, or even while attacking someone's your condition, you are not in the condition to take decisions, so you can give voice commands. Assembly recently our assembly line is being made by HAL, which makes the Tejas. We Tejas will be built by 2024 to 25, and delivery of Tejas will be started by the next year. So this Tejas is being developed by indigenously. It is a quite proud moment for India, as Tejas, a number of Tejas are being made India by HAL indigenously. Thank you.